Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings and in other people's houses. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home. But when you leave your house, do not ever tamper with fire alarms, especially with fire alarms in public buildings. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have fire alarms in their house, you still do not tamper with their fire alarms because those are not your fire alarms. And you especially do not tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home, not in somebody else's house with their fire alarms, and especially not in a public building for any reason. If you tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. Even if you do it in other people's houses, you will face those very same consequences. If you come to my house and tamper with my fire alarms, you will go to jail right away. Staying in jail, nothing, because it is against the law. For non-household members to tamper with my fire alarms without my permission. Goodbye.